Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use variation swatches for WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to your WooCommerce extension. And from here, as you can see, I already have variation swatches. If you don't have it, you will need to add this plugin. So I'm just going to my plugins, and from there we can see that I already have variation swatches for WooCommerce. So basically you can add new plugin, and from there you can search for variation swatches, and then you can activate and install the plugin. And basically whenever it is activated, it will be added to WooCommerce. So as you can see, I already have this one. So now if we can go to variation swatches in the WooCommerce plugin, we can see that it will give us many things. So it can enable swatches for products page, etc. So basically, in simply, it is only some styling uh, page or some styling tool for your products. So we can, for example, go to our store, and from here we can start customizing. And if you go to the products, for example, and this is just search for products. So this is our products catalog, and from there you can start choosing from the display products, the category display, and how you want to show it. And basically, as you can see, we can find the category, price, you can add short description, etc. So simply, you will need just to go to customize, and at the end, you will need just to publish your changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.